green forests, fresh air, and the ideal spaces we envision, that is nature. Geumzin has enriched our lives and spaces with innovative technologies that place the highest value on nature. ESG management holds the power to transform the world. In an era where corporate growth drives social value, Geumzin is committed to building a sustainable future. Pioneering a circular economy, we enhance energy efficiency / carbon emissions and transform waste plastics into high-value resources. Reclex eco-friendly pellets drive this remarkable transformation. Reclex Deck, a pivotal strategy for slashing carbon emissions and attaining carbon negativity via cutting-edge, sustainable materials. Superior water and slip resistance compared to natural wood, preventing rot and deformation from moisture. Its 3D patterns authentically replicate real wood textures, backed by exceptional durability for long-term performance. Our synthetic resin fences complete outdoor spaces with decay and pest-resistant durability for effortless maintenance. Resin louvers elevate ambiance with timeless natural aesthetics that resist fading and harmonize seamlessly with the environment. For 28 years, Geumzin has led the eco-friendly interior building materials market with cutting-edge technology, pioneering innovation. Geumzin was the first in Korea to apply eco-friendly water-based ink to wallpaper, launching ELBONITA silk wallpaper, internationally recognized as a premium sustainable product. Elezian commercial wallpaper, engineered for high-traffic facilities, delivers exceptional resistance to fading and stains. Our carpet tiles and eco-friendly interior films, featuring superior cushioning and sound absorption, enhance comfort and value in everyday spaces. Through advanced technology and rigorous quality controls, Geumzin has achieved sustained growth. Strategic partnerships with industry leaders like LG Hausys, Hyundai LNC, and Younglim drive our R&D innovation and global market expansion. Geumzin connects with customers worldwide through superior technology and eco-friendly solutions. We will continue our ascent, securing breakthrough technologies and diversifying exports to emerge as a global leader in sustainable innovation. Geumzin, setting the global standard for eco-friendly construction innovation.